Hi everyone and welcome to the Mushroom Den. Today I'm bringing you my version of the very popular beef bourguignon, also known as beef burgundy, which is pretty much a beef stew braised in red wine. So to replace the beef, we'll be using a variety of mushrooms, starting with some portobello mushrooms that are already cleaned, and I'll cut in large pieces since they're going to shrink as they cook. I'll also use some shiitake mushrooms, again cutting them in large pieces like so, and some whole cremini mushrooms. So to the mushroom we'll drizzle some olive oil, then season them with some salt and pepper. Then we'll toss everything just to make sure that the seasoning goes into every single piece of mushrooms. Then spread your mushroom as much as you can on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. While our mushrooms are roasting, let's go ahead and start the stew. Place the pot on medium heat. Add in the coconut oil, followed with some onion, garlic, and celery. Stir for about a minute or two just for the onions to cook. Then add in some white flour. This is going to help make our stew a bit creamy. Then add in some tomato paste. Follow with some red wine. So if you're not into wine, then this recipe is really not for you. There's no way to make a bourguignon without red wine. Continue to stir to break any lumps forming the tomato and flour mix. Then add some vegetable broth, some salt and pepper, a few bay leaves, and some thyme that I'm locking into this tea infuser. Let everything cook for about an hour on low heat, making sure to stir every 20 minutes or so. Feel free to add some water or broth if the stew is getting too thick. So after an hour, we can go ahead and add our carrots, followed with some more broth or water, and our roasted mushrooms. Give everything a quick stir. Adjust the salt if you need to, and let the stew cook for another 30 minutes, and it's ready. So here is my version of the beef bourguignon. Serve that with rice, pasta, mashed potatoes. It has a very unique taste and flavor because of the wine, and the roasted mushrooms complement the stew so well. The best way to describe it is luxury in a pot. Okay, I hope you liked the video. If you did, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And as always, until the next video, have a blessed one.